I have this raised panel door here, and it is coming apart right here. This is a rail, and the vertical pieces are called stiles. And the rails and stiles are glued together at their joints, and the panels that go in between, those are floating. They're not glued down. So what I have right here is the separation, a gap, really thin gap, but a meaningful enough one that when the door is closed, it's hitting along here. And so what I need to do is glue that back up. Now, a professional might take apart the door in order to re-glue all the stiles and rails, but I'm just going to glue this one joint right here. And to clamp it up, I'm going to use a band clamp. So I've taped a wood block right here and here, and these wood blocks have rounded corners right here, so that way this simple motorcycle style clamp will be able to tighten down on the door. And I'm going to use basic wood glue. As you can see here on the top, we have the crack, and you can see I can get this rod in there fairly deep, and that's the crack that I do wish to hope to fill completely with glue. And I'm going to use the glue bottle right here to hopefully be able to get that glue deep into the crack using just the pressure of the bottle.
Now the glue that I am using is Titebond 2. As you can see here, the nozzle of the glue bottle is in the crack, and I'm able to use that pressure to push the glue down. The ratchet strap then pulls the rails and stiles together while using my rounded wood blocks to protect the door and some cardboard.
Went ahead and added a second clamp just to make sure, and that was really helpful because they have about 400 pounds holding strength, and it gets really hard to ratchet them. And with the second clamp, I was able to close the gap even more. And I've let this set for 24 hours now.
And letting the glue set for a long time is key for making sure that the glue is really dry inside there. I did release this early and the door opened right up, so I added a little bit more glue and closed it right back up.
You can see here that the gap has closed up. Even up here on top is closed up. Now this is going to result in a much smoother close of the door.
And a smoother close of the door will ensure that the door's life is prolonged and that people don't need to slam it, which could break out the panels in this case, which is kind of a stained glass style panel. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and click that subscribe button and tune in for some more DIY